Having a sunglasses or shades that has a Bluetooth speaker built inside is awesome, especially when taking a walk in the park and still want to be fully aware of your surroundings. Of course, this type of shades is an open ear design, and the major issues has been getting the right one with very good sound quality that has a loud volume level and good battery life. This is the Ghosttech shades. I'll be using it for some weeks and I can say the sound quality is really good with the right amount of volume. Right now, you can get it at the Ghosttech website for about 47,000 naira or $60, which is a good price for all the top quality features packed into the slim, portable sunglasses. You can use my discount code supermobile10off to get 10% off your purchase. For those who are not familiar with Ghosttech, well, Ghosttech is a reputable brand that specializes in high quality cases for top smartphone brands and other mobile accessories like headsets, power banks, speakers, and more. The Ghosttech shades come in this beautiful packaging that gives a premium look and feel, like you are about to unbox a $1,000 device, and it has this magnetic lock at the side. Inside the box is a nice looking hard zippered case that houses the shades, a microfiber cleaning cloth, 2 magnetic pins to USB charging cable, 2 extra silicone nose pads in different sizes, a thank you note card from Ghosttech, and 2 other user information cards. This is a good looking sunglasses made entirely from high quality polycarbonate materials except for the tail ends and nose pad that are made from a soft matte silicone material for better comfort and firmer grip on the ears and nose respectively during walks or even sports. The Ghosttech team really did a good job in designing these shades, from the smooth curved edges to the dedicated CNC cutouts to the strong hinges to the sensitive pressure button and to the silicone polycarbonate body, which is surprisingly lightweight. The lenses have this bluish pinkish color tint and does a very good job in blocking sun rays. But since the lenses are interchangeable, Ghosttech should have included an extra clear lens in the box for clearer vision in darker or cloudy environments. Although Ghosttech is actually working on selling interchangeable lenses soon, fingers crossed. By the way, it's only available in black color. As soon as you unfold the glasses, it switches on and the Bluetooth pairing mode initiates automatically with an AI voice prompt.
Shades are powered on. Pairing shades.
The subsequent Bluetooth connection speed is almost instant in just under 2 seconds after switching on.
Shades connected.
Also, when you fold the glasses back, the Bluetooth disconnects instantly with an AI voice prompt.
Powering off.
The Ghosttech shades supports Qualcomm's aptX audio codec. This means you get a much better, richer, and enhanced sound quality experience.
aptX Classic.
There are 2 speaker outlets. The woofer is on the side while the tweeter is underneath, closer to the ears. I love this speaker design because it produces a 2.2 stereo surround sound feeling, which is amazing at this price point. The sound quality is actually quite amazing as it has a 10mm sound driver which produced good surround bass effects, clear mids with no distortion and high frequencies even at max volume. Although being a fully open ear design, you don't expect the loudest of volume, but one trick you can do to get the loudest volume is to wear a hoodie that blocks most of the sound waves from escaping. Due to the high quality of the speakers used, it's actually still pretty loud enough to the extent that you might need to pause your music to audibly hear someone talking to you few feet away. The shades come with the latest Bluetooth 5 and the average connectivity range is about 10 meters indoors. And also, I didn't notice or experience any latency or audio delay when watching videos, which is very good. The touch control is not really a physical button. It is a forced touch sensor just like in the Apple AirPods, and I like how it was designed with an inward curve and a dot for easy access. Here are all the touch control options, and from my experience, it is quite sensitive thanks to the use of the all sensor technology, which makes it work accurately every time. And you don't need to press so hard. It has a 100 mAh battery capacity, which is above average, and the battery life is actually good as I was getting about 5 hours of listening time at 25% volume. Although being an open ear design, you are forced to listen at max volume to have a better sounding experience, and I was getting about 3.5 hours at max 100% volume. This is the first generation, and I believe Ghost Tech will improve on the battery life in the second generation. Like I said earlier, it has a magnetic 2-pin charger and it supports up to 5 watts charging power. It takes about 1 hour to fully recharge the battery, which is manageable. Although I noticed the magnets are not so strong, so you have to confirm and make sure it stays connected with the red indicator LED on. The Ghost Tech shades is IPX5 water resistant, and I did a small water test. As you can see, this video scene was shot under the rain with lots of confidence, so you don't have to worry about using the shades if you sweat a lot during exercise. Ghost Tech used a really good sensitive omnidirectional microphone in these shades, and despite its far distance from the mouth, the person at the other end of the call can still hear you loud and clear. In conclusion, the Ghost Tech shades is a good and reliable audio sunglasses. The price is fair based on the amazing features packed inside, like the high quality speakers, the IPX5 ratings, good microphone, the solid and durable build design. Although would have loved the battery life to be a little bit longer and the volume to be a little louder, but I can't complain at this price point. If you would like to get one, you can go to the official Ghost Tech website and you can use my discount code supermobile10OFF to get 10% off your purchase. And Ghost Tech is also offering 1-year warranty. Kindly let me know what you think about the Ghost Tech audio sunglasses in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe. Bye.